This is going to be a video of the first landmark in the house. This one is installed in my room. And you guys remember the China Pride fan? I will install it eventually, but it might take a while. This fan here are the blades for it. And that fan will be replaced by that fan. Well, here's what my room looks like so far. It's a mess. Here's the rec room. It's not done yet. All the rooms are not done yet. Well, anyways, here it is. Right. It has reversible white to bleached oak blades. I will turn it on. We'll start off with high. It's a little noisy. All 3 bedrooms have landmarks, except one. The 3 landmarks in the southern breeze fair windows are the only 4 upstairs. Alright, here's medium. Here's low. That's my brother. He has a friend over. And they're acting pretty wild in the pool. Alright. Thanks for watching.